If you're a business owner looking to improve your online traffic or increase conversions from ads and other sources, you should be looking to implement or level up your testimonial strategies. Testimonials are a powerful way to quickly convert visitors, prospective customers, and other leads into paying customers. They're very good at removing sales objections and building trust. They're a no-brainer. The reason: you're not the one telling other people your business is good or reliable. Instead, your customer is actually doing it for you. These honest experiences can instantly change the perspective of anyone learning about your product or service. In this article, I'll show you how to start or upgrade your testimonial strategy at no cost by leveraging our free tools and features. Before we move on, I must start by making a distinction. The first three tools that I'm going to share with you are free features included within Testimonial's starter plan. The starter plan is free forever and you can use it at no cost. All you need to start growing your business through Testimonials is to sign up for it and enter your details. The Testimonial team has developed the last four tools that I'm going to share and are open to the public and independent of our main product. If you want to try out our product for free though, I invite you to check it out. These are going to be helpful for you, so let's dive right into them. First, you can use our free browser extension, which is awesome. Simply go anywhere that has an integration with the Testimonial app, and what you can do is you can add the information that you find to any of your workspaces inside of testimonial.to by using the Chrome extension. Alternatively, you can simply just grab part of the text itself and click on the testimonial and either take a screenshot, save the text, or like I said earlier, you can do a specific integration. Grab, if it has it for platforms like Testimonials, integrations with Twitter, now known as X, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So that's the first free tool, and is great for adding social proof to your website. Now, another great free tool is actually the public testimonial page that you get when you have our product. So for example, if I go here, this is the page that we have. So let's just take a look at it. As an example, Superhuman has their wall of love showcased on their website. And it's a great example of how you can take the testimonials that you have and showcase them. It's free to use. Simply have our tool and then utilize this to make everyone understand how much others love your product or service. And that's technically the public page that shows everything. If you want to take specifics, you can create a wall of love that you can embed onto your website, like the one I have here of all of my different clients saying what they like about my videos. So you can see right here, it's a wall of love. You have the ability to edit it to be scrolling like this automatically. You have the ability to embed other ones like this where you can make it a carousel that you slide through or have it be static, and you can customize it to the specific people that you want to showcase on there, so it's not everybody. The difference between the wall of love and the entire page is that the wall of love has more customization options, or that showcase of all of the testimonials is just everything there. And number four, what we have is the email signature generator. So as you can see here, we have one auto generated by Damon, the founder of PDF.ai and Testimonial. So as you can see, PDF.ai is one of the most powerful and useful applications I've used, and it's an example testimonial put in there, which is the purpose. So an example testimonial on this is going to be great to showcase. And then it also puts in all of his credentials by default. And you can put your own in here and change any of it, and it'll change it from this default one to one that you can copy and add to your emails. As you can see right here, very easy to paste in. Really useful to enhance what the customer experience is like if someone's receiving an email from you and you just look more professional, and having a testimonial in there is beneficial for all the reasons I laid out earlier. Now, another great tool, and we've talked about this in another video, called the Testimonial AI Case Generator. If you click on this and go to AI, you can create a case study. And when I press generate, it's going to take this testimonial from Theis, and he is the product lead at relay.app. And from there, you're going to see pretty cool stuff. Really long case study. You can implement this into my landing page copy or anywhere else that I'd like. Number 6 on the list is another tool we have, the email template generator. So say, for example, you are a business called Acme Marketing, and your value proposition is make more with less marketing spend. I want this to be a written testimonial of marketing services, and the relationship with the customer is they are clients. Now, you do have more options here, but what this is going to do is really cool. It's going to generate professional email templates for requesting testimonials. So say I'm this company and I want someone to give me a testimonial. I don't really know what to say. This is something that will help you out. It's an AI free product that will definitely get you there. So for example, this says, "Hi, I hope this finds you well. At Acme Marketing, we're always striving to help our clients make more with less marketing spend, and we truly value your experience with our services. We would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to share your thoughts in a written testimonial." Perfect. You could send this out to people, have a link to your testimonial.to account if you do have the product. And then from there, you're gonna get that testimonial much easier than whatever haphazard writing you would have done. 7, this is something I deal with a lot. So another great tool is a video testimonial script generator. Sometimes clients, when you tell them like, hey, could you leave a video testimonial? They'll say, okay, I really like the product. Here are the things that I liked about it. I don't know what to read. Like, do you want me to like read off a script, or I really don't know what to say? You can literally give them the script, and we have a free tool for it. So what specific product or service is testimonial about? Acme Marketing. They saved so much time and made a huge positive ROI with our marketing efforts. Jim Baker. Jim Baker is the client that we would have had. And then they are head of growth at Jim's Bakery. Press generate. From here, it's going to generate a script. Now there is other optional advanced settings as well to change the tone and to add more details to if you want. So as you can see, it says, hi there, I'm Jim Baker, the head of growth at Jim's Bakery. I wanted to take a moment to share my experience with Acme Marketing. Before we started working with them, we were really struggling to manage our marketing efforts efficiently. Okay, perfect. This gives them a great idea of what to say, and it's bite-sized. It's all we need. Love this. Definitely going to send it out to Jim. And last but not least, we have the trust badge generator. So for those of you who have seen trust badges before, there's a guy by the name of Justin Welsh that I'm a big fan of. He has one of these at the top of his landing page. It's a great HTML embeddable that showcases stars and how many students, in this case, since it's a course, enjoyed this. So as you can see, you can say from 50,000 customers, say you got a 4.92 out of 5. You can change the star color. You can do pretty much anything you want to stylize this, and you can copy it into HTML, Tailwind, and download images. You can change these profile images from the default ones here if you'd like to, but in general, adding this to the website is going to make it pop and showcase that there's a large number of people who have worked with you or have purchased your service before or your product. So any of these different ways you change it would just be a plus to the already great baseline here. So these are all the different tools that can help you with your testimonials. If you want to try out these free tools, I recommend that you check them out at Testimonial today. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.